What's up, techies? Let's dive into the hottest apps of 2024. First up, we've got the ultimate travel planner. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Plan trips, book flights, and find hidden gems. Next, Meet. This app curates music playlists based on your mood. Feeling blue? It's got your back with the perfect tunes. Don't miss. Say goodbye to boring meals. Scan your fridge and it suggests recipes. Easy, right? And for all you fitness buffs, check out. It's more than a fitness app. It's a lifestyle coach. Track your workouts, monitor your sleep, and stay motivated. Lastly, your meditation buddy. Perfect for winding down. Guided sessions, relaxing sounds, and stress relief at your fingertips. So there you have it. Download these must-have apps and make 2024 your best year yet. Hit that like button if you found your new favorite app.